Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Sign Solution. Are you looking for a reception sign? Then let us discuss about various types of acrylic cut letters and their numerous possibilities. Acrylic cut letters are most common and the signages with these letters are everywhere around us like shopping mall, hospitals, schools and reception counters. Let us have a look on the production side and their criteria. The material acrylic is a type of plastic and it is available in different colors, standard colors and in different thickness. Normally it's a sheet and it is coming in 122 centimeter in width and the length is coming about 244 centimeter. It's like 8 by 4 feet. This material is cut into different shape with machines like CNC machine and the laser machine. Let us have a look how this machine performs. Let's have a look at laser cut letters. As you see, the cut letters are highly finished products. Here the vinyl sticker is pasted from the front fascia. This is like 6 mm thick acrylic. So we can choose up to 20 to 30 mm. See the edges, it's really clear. And we can apply the sticker from the front side. So it goes like this with the double-sided tab. If the shade is darker, you can reverse also. You can stick the vinyl from the back side and we can put the double-sided tab. But we need to make sure the double-sided tab should not be visible. It should not be transparent. As I said, this acrylic are available in different thickness and different colors, different standard colors. This is clear and this is white. If you need your sign in one single color, you can go for one single acrylic. So if the thickness is high than 15 mm, it can be cut with CNC, as I said, and the thickness smaller than 15 mm can be cut with laser. Apart from the standard color available in the market, if you have a specific color for your logo or letters, then you should go for a painting option. So this is an acrylic letters which is painted in orange color. See, this is a white acrylic which is painted. This can also be done in MDF or plywood, but you need to apply putty and you need to clear the surface, and you can paint as you wish. As I said before, the front face of the letters can be painted or it can be applied with sticker in standard color. If you need a specific design, you can be printed and it can be applied on the letters. Letters can be applied on the background with different options like double-sided tab. It is also available in 3M, and we can put some glue or silicone gel can also be applied. Right now, let us have a look on some installed signages. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.